This is Habbas from English with Mr. Habbas. Wait, what? The. This is what you're gonna learn in this lesson, okay? The car. The apple. Yeah. What? The President of the United States? Hello everyone, welcome back to Learning English with Mr. Habbas. In today's lesson, we are going to learn how to pronounce THE in English. And today we are going to look at the two ways on how we pronounce this word in English language. إذن في درس اليوم رح نتعلم كيف نلفظ هذه الكلمة بطريقتين مختلفتين إن شاء الله. Before we go any further, please make sure you subscribe and hit that bell icon so you're notified every time I post a new lesson. And now, let's get started. خلينا نبلش. Normally, we pronounce the when it comes before a consonant sound as a short sound, the. So this is the first rule, okay? For example, the car, the park, the dog. Okay, very nice. إذن اللفظ الأول لهذه الكلمة هو the. متى؟ عندما تأتي قبل الكلمات التي تبدأ بصوت ساكن وليس متحرك. The dog بدأت بحرف D وهو حرف ساكن. The park بدأت بحرف P وهو حرف ساكن. Okay. أهم شيء نركز على الصوت وليس الحرف. Okay, very nice. Okay, now when the comes before a vowel sound, we pronounce it as a long the. So this is the second rule. Okay, very nice. For example, we say the apple, the egg, the ice cream, the orange, the umbrella. Okay, very nice. Now let's link the two words together with yeah, like the Y letter. Okay, like in yes, like in yellow. So we have to say the apple. Okay, the apple. The ice cream. Okay, the ice cream. Very nice. إذن اللفظ الثاني لهذه الكلمة هو the. متى؟ عندما تأتي قبل الكلمات التي تبدأ بصوت وليس حرف، بصوت متحرك. The apple. كلمة apple بدأت بصوت متحرك أو علة. The orange. طبعا هون بنربط الكلمتين مع بعض عشان ما نوقف بين الكلمتين وكأن في عندي حرف الواي بينهم. It's like yeah. So we say the apple, the orange, the ice cream إلى آخره. Okay, very nice. Okay, some words in English start with vowel letters, but they have different sounds. How? Let's take these examples. The first one, it's a question, okay? So, where is the university. So this word university starts with a Y sound. So we say the university, like in you, the university. Okay, another one, we say the European Union. Okay, so it's the European Union. Why? Because European starts with a Y sound. So it's the, not the European. Okay? Very nice. إذن عندما تبدأ الكلمة بحرف علة ويكون الصوت مثل حرف الواي نقول the وليس the. Okay? إذن نقول the university. إذن اليونيفرسيتي بدأت بحرف علة ولكن الصوت هو صوت حرف الواي. Okay? Very nice. Okay, the last thing we have the emphatic the. Emphatic the. This is when you want to emphasize something. How? Let's take this example. For example, I saw the president. The president. Now, my friend wants to emphasize the words I just said. So he will say, what? The President of the United States? Okay? So this is the emphatic the. Okay? Another example. This is the best story I've ever read. Meaning more than better. So we say the best. Okay? Very nice. إذن لما يكون في تشديد أو تأكيد على كلام معين بدي أشدد عليه أو أكد عليه أستخدم the بدلا من the. Okay? So بالأول حكينا the president، بعدين صديقي أكد أو بده يشدد أو نوعا ما بيكون في نوع من زي المفاجأة أو الصدمة هيك فبحكي the president. اوكي؟ بالمثال الثاني نفس الشيء the best، يعني دليل انه في اشي جدا افضل او مميز فبنحكي the. اوكي؟ Very nice. Hopefully this lesson will be useful for everyone, and if you guys enjoyed this lesson how to pronounce the, the or the in English, please come back for more lessons on this channel, English with Mr. Habbas. Until next time, see you guys. Bye bye.